What's up, guys? I thought I'd do a trade recap today as I took one today. So I thought I'd walk you through it. I lost, spoiler, as you can see, we'll zoom in a bit. Lost about £255 or dollars, $255. Obviously not a great day, and to be honest, probably one of the worst trades I've took in a long time. So I'm not exactly happy with the outcome, but it is what it is. I found this really cool thing. I've recapped all my trade here on a Notion, so I've got a template for like a training journal. It's really useful. Obviously, look, this is all of my and this is my comment of what how I thought price went and what did wrong. Obviously, start every day off looking at the news. So we had GDP for on the JDP JPY, so JBP JPY pair. So I was probably not going to trade on that because it probably won't give the best setup. So I went over to XAUUSD, which is obviously why I took my trade. So start why I took my trade. The confluence is obviously 4 hours zooming out. We can see that there was quite a few levels to pull off. We had a high here, this imbalance. So if we're gonna look for long, then these would be our targets. And then if we're gonna go, so that was my long. They were my long targets. Was kind of these highs. And if we're going short, we also had targets. So as you can see, oh, sorry, I got a bit cold. Price did come down. On the hourly, came down to sweep out this low, which is why I look for my entry. But obviously, hindsight, we can see price just kept shit in the bed. And to be honest, it was a fucking ass trade. I'm not even gonna lie. So we'll go on the entry. We'll have a look in here. So obviously we got our sweep here. This candle is initial sweep. We got a retrace, and then I'm in the 1 minute looking to trade. After this retrace here, so I'm just looking for an entry, and then I think I spot one in here. Obviously we've got this bullish order block that gets filled with this candle, so that's an order block. We also got an equilibrium filled with that candle, so I wanted to wait for an extra bit of confidence, which we got with a breaker structure here at the upside. So I entered the candle after the breaker structure. I put my stop loss at half of the order block, and profits were extended all the way up here. So this was a 2% risk trade because I won my last one, so that means that next trade I'm back down to 1% risk to, as part of my risk management strategy. Multiple things wrong with this trade. The trade itself, obviously looking at this, even looking at this before I took a trade, not good price action to be trading on. Obviously off liquidity sweep, we want to be seeing much cleaner price action. Then also look, when I entered this candle here, 9:35, obviously I cut off my trade an hour and a half after the market opens, so 9:30, so 5 minutes after. So as you can see in my recap at the end there, I kind of put it was already 9:35, which is, I'm not even meant to be trading there, so really poor from me. So that's a lesson learned. Obviously I refreshed, I didn't trade for the rest of the day. I had a look at one, but there wasn't really much, and then I had a little look on the S&P, but didn't really provide us with an entrance. As Nasdaq didn't really, we did come up super the liquidity. Maybe there was an entrance in here that we could have sniped out. So obviously we get the sweep up. Went for that 5 minute retrace, was happening at 3 o'clock. So now I'm in at the 1 minute. Anything after 1. See if we hit equilibrium. Yeah, did we get any other confluences within? Order block here. Yeah, you very well could have found an entrance in here. Off that. I mean, obviously this is all hindsight. Obviously we get a rejection. Stops above the order block. Take profit. All the way down here. So I missed that. I definitely missed that, but I think I was out shopping. That would have been a juicy trade, to be fair. Could have took that 100%, and that was a much better trade than what I took. So looking at that, there we go. Obviously not a great trade today, but you know, it's better to post my losses as well. We'll go again tomorrow. Well, that shit, we won't go again tomorrow because it's Friday. We'll go again next week. Let's just look at the outlook for next week while we're here. Monday we get hammered with news, so I will not trade in that. I'm not trading on Monday. I'll trade Tuesday AM session. I'll trade Wednesday AM and PM, Thursday AM and Thursday PM, and then Friday I'll trade Thursday AM because you've got PC. Friday AM, sorry, PC there. So that's my trade recap for today. Yeah, that's all good.